Is it actually possible to build a mini helicopter inside a Coke can? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just 5 minutes. First, you'll need a classic Coke can. Start by rotating the pull tab 180 degrees to create a small hole. If it doesn't work, you can help it with pliers. This hole is where the helicopter blades will pass through. Next, cut the can into 2 parts. So it looks something like this. Then make a small cut so the top part can fit over the bottom part. For this build, I used a control board from a toy helicopter, which already has a battery. First, remove the blades so they don't get in the way. Then place the board into the opening. I used super glue and baking soda to make it extremely strong, and after that, I put the blades back on. Now take a look at the circuit board. There's a small sensor on it. It needs to be positioned below the cans so we can control the helicopter. Make a small hole, and you'll see that it fits inside perfectly. Since I was short on time, I decided to leave the charging port inside. After that, close everything with the second part of the can. And the helicopter is fully finished. Unfortunately, I don't have enough space to show it flying properly. But as you can see, it stays in the air really well. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel.